Now you can start.
Today I am here to show a presentation on the topic of universal brotherhood. So this is my topic that I was assigned to make a presentation. Now I am going to start it. The topic is brotherhood. In this slide I have here introduced what is brotherhood. So a brotherhood is the feeling and treating others like brother, sister, treating each and every people of the world like our own brother, sister and relative. It is the feeling of sympathy and fellowship for each others of every people of the world, and it is the concept to think whole world as our own family. As we know, we live in a family. There are a lot of family members. If one member of our family get hurt, then every people of the family also get hurt, become sad like that. If one part of the world get injured, one part of the world get damaged, then another part of the world also get sadness, feel sad. This is the feeling of brotherhood. And lastly I have written a brotherhood is the sense of we, ours and oneness. This is the introduction that I have made here about brotherhood. In next slide I have written here, my dear, no men are foreign, we all are humans.
Very good.
Here, meaning of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. In Nepali, it means that सबै कुटुम्बहरू आफ्नै दाजुभाइ दिदी बहिनी आफ्नै दाजुभाइ रहेका छन्. And I have written its meaning. It is a Sanskrit word which is depicted from the holy epic of Hindus, the Ved, and it means to think and treat all the people of the whole world as our brother and good friends, as I have already mentioned that. In next slide I have written here ways to maintain universal brotherhood. There are many ways to maintain universal brotherhood. Maintaining universal brotherhood is very much important. To maintain the universal brotherhood, we have to treat every people of the world as our own brother, sister and relative. If we think each other as our own brother, sister and relatives, then no any conflicts will take place, no any disputes will occur, due to which universal brotherhood itself will be maintained. In second point I have written here, not following the extreme ideology regarding religion, nationalism and so on. We should not follow extreme ideology regarding religion, nationalism. If we do so, there might occur the conflict in the name of religion, nationalism, and so on as well. So, to maintain the universal brotherhood, I have written here, not following the extreme ideology regarding religion and nationalism is also one of the way. In third point, I have written here, everyone should have the empathy and cooperation to eradicate fear, poverty, pain, epidemics, and other enemies of human. Yes, if we do cooperation among each other, then unity occurs, and due to unity peace will be there. Due to peace universal brotherhood itself maintains. In the last point of how we can maintain universal brotherhood, I have mentioned here respecting others freedom, rights, political physiology, religious faiths, cultures and so on. So these are the points that I have mentioned here about ways to maintain universal brotherhood. In next slide I have written here importance of universal brotherhood. Mm, Importance of universal brotherhood. Unity and peace can only be maintained by feeling of universal brotherhood. As I have already mentioned, unity and peace in previous slide, that if we have a unity and peace, there will not be conflict, and as there is no conflict, universal brotherhood will be there. Universal brotherhood frees the world from free wars and hatred. In the first point we have talked there about the peace. So universal brotherhood helps in maintaining peace, which directly means that the world will be free from wars and hatred. So to make the world free from wars, hatreds as well, universal brotherhood is very much important. Increases cooperation and empathy that can make human lives joyful. Brotherhood is the feeling of brother, sister, relatives to every people, due to which there occurs a cooperation, everyone will be helping, empathy will be there, and which makes the human life joyful as well. So it is universal brotherhood helps in increasing cooperation and empathy that can make the human life joyful as well. Helps in respecting all the religious castes, beliefs and so on. Universal brotherhood totally helps to respect all the religion. There will not be any kind of conflict in the name of caste, culture, religion, beliefs, and so on. So it is also another important of universal brotherhood that I mentioned. And last point about importance of universal brotherhood is it helps to maintain friendship and cooperation, to promote the humanitarian aspects and developmental activities even in the least developed countries. These are the importance that I have written here about the universal brotherhood. To conclude this chapter, universal society, though it is fragmented on the basis of caste, culture, creed, religion, and so on, is like a family and behaves all equally. It is why the entire global community is considered as a family. It is also villages where individual lives in a family sharing each other's happiness and sorrow. This is an occasion for all that they find good friend and neighborhood everywhere. Also, it is a visible that some part of the old community is suffering from disputes and troubles. They seem to ignore the humanity and its essence in the old community. It is not acceptable for the human and it is society. Thinking positive according to the religion, everyone believes the society is never misgusting. They are misuse they also misuse religious traits for the sake of individual certain group of the people or a community. It is not good. So we should keep in mind that we can live happy and prosperous life only when this world takes all as our and behaves accordingly. This makes the universal brotherhood a while at the present world. Thank you.